Hello everyone, welcome to GeoCAD Chronicles. Back to our series of QGIS for beginners. So in this tutorial we are going to be tackling about the toolbars and panels. So I'm going to show you how we can put or get panels and the toolbars. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Support our work by subscribing for more tutorials like this. So let me open our recent project. So by the time we left last time, our project was blank. So we are discussing about layers, panels and toolbars. So now let us start with the panels. So on the menu bar up here we have what we call the view button, the view main button. So when you click on this view, you scroll to the list of items. Down there you are going to see where we have panels, and below the panels we have toolbars. So let me start with the panels. So here on the panels you can see that we have a lot of panels. So these panels are actually the things you see on the right and on the left. So like now if I remove this, debugging development tools, I remove it. I also remove the browser pan on my left hand side and the layers pan on the left hand side. So now we are left with the map view area or the map canvas. So by clicking on the view tab, scrolling down to panels, we can see that on the panels area, on the list of items brought under panels, nothing is highlighted or clicked on. So if I highlight one of these, like the panels, the browser too, we are going to see that we get what we have. We get a panel on the left. So this is a browser panel. So going back to the view, going back to the panels, we can see that I can put the statistics. So in case I'm working on a certain layer and I want to know its statistics, I can easily click on the layer like so. This requires me to have my panel for the layer. So these layers, this is where I view the layers I'm working on. So right now I have no data shapes loaded in this for this tutorial, but as we proceed we shall see how to use these tools. So this is that's how you can load panels, remove them, and they are dockable. You can move them from one area to another, resize them like the way you see. I can remove it and put it to this side, dock it on my right hand side. So that's all about panels. So now going to the toolbar. So again under view we come to where we have the toolbars. So these toolbars, you see that we have some which are selected, like the attribute toolbar, the data source manager toolbar, digitizing toolbar, help, label. So these toolbars are actually these icons we see up here, this line here and this. So this is the project toolbar, the first one we see. So if I put my cursor there, you can see that it's the project toolbar. So in case these things are not there, so I can come to view toolbars. So I can see this. So if I click something from there, you see that one of the toolbars that was here has disappeared. So going back to toolbar, I can easily choose to deselect all of them and I remain with nothing. Toolbars, I'm removing also the web toolbar. So the web toolbar is this. So So if I remove it, deselect it, we can see that it has disappeared. So going back to toolbars, so project toolbar, the one I told you about, so let me leave that one. The plugs toolbar, map navigation toolbar. Navigation toolbar is actually this hand up from here up to somewhere here. This is what we call the map navigation bar, where we have the zoom out, the pan, among others. So that's the map navigation bar, toolbar. So I'll be stopping here for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to be talking about the plugins. So we are going to talk about plugins, and before we can proceed to doing some actual work in GIS. So subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Thank you.